production process of adds all dielectric self-supporting cables is a complex and precise procedure. First is the fiber coloring step. Bare optical fibers are dyed into 12 distinct colors using a coloring machine. This coloring helps in fiber identification during subsequent production and installation. Next, the fiber jelly is applied to the colored fibers inside the loose tube. The loose tube production line is employed here, which features a jelly machine to ensure bubble-free and stable filling. This step protects the fibers from damage during the manufacturing process. Then comes the stranding process. 6-12 loose tubes are stranded around the fur fiber reinforced plastic, and then bound together using water-blocking yarn and covered with a water-blocking tape. Finally, a ripcord and aramid yarns are added. The ripcord makes sheath tearing easy during installation, while aramid yarns enhance the cable's strength and protect the fibers from harsh environmental conditions. After the whole production, the cable will undergo a series of strict quality inspections to ensure its performance meets the required standards.